Hey, what is going on? Sean Faber here, bringing you a landscaping snapshot. This is the 1.0 version. I just want to go over everything that's in here. So let me show you the funnel first. This is where you're going to run your ads to. This is an incredible funnel for local service businesses, that have landscaping, lawn maintenance. Think this is perfect. So this is the landing page. This is where you're going to run your ads and you're going to send people to right here. Claim your whatever savings on our highest rated residential and commercial landscaping services, or residential or commercial, wherever you want. This is a custom value. This will populate whatever the city. Doing something crazy to promote your landscaping business. Get $100 off any of our best-selling and highest rated services. Give a little bit of scarcity here. Limit the number of vouchers. This you're going to link to, let's take a screenshot, link to any of your ratings or anything like that, testimonials, Google reviews, and then copy and paste a real review right here as well. Down here, this is a Google map. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Maps. You're going to type in your office's or your location's address, and you're just going to take a screenshot of that area, and then you're going to copy and paste the Google Map link so that when people click on it, it gives them directions so they can see exactly how close you are to their home. So this is just a good way to remind people that they're local. The background, I have a stock image back here right now of a beautiful yard. What you're going to do is you're going to actually replace the background image with either the landscaping company's truck, with them, completing a current job, something like that. So that's what you're going to do with the background here. Super easy to replace that. The next page, the booking page, this is and on this page, it's a survey. It's not just a form. So they click this button to claim the surveys. Fill out the form. So I want to show you the survey right here. This is everything they get on the survey. Fill out the form below to get a free estimate. First page, name, email, phone number. And then the service address below, street address, city, location, or city, state, and zip code. The placeholder is whatever city, state, and zip code the location is at. So I have this one set as like New York, New York. Please select your service type if it's residential or commercial. Select landscaping service. Landscaping. This is a multi-select. So when they select one, it won't automatically go to the next slide. So I created this image down here at the bottom to click next when finished. So it takes them over to the next slide, so they can select as many or as few of these services as they want. It's not required, so if they don't need any, they just leave it blank. If they need any maintenance services, snowplow, spring cleanup, pruning, blah, 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 same thing. Or any outdoor living services. These, just with anything in the survey, if you have to update or edit these lists, just delete these custom values, delete these, and recreate them. You can just create a new thing. So I don't think you can go through and edit the selections, no. But you can go ahead and create a new field. That's the word. And then how soon do you want to get it done? Looking to get it done soon, in the next month, just thinking, or just getting estimates right now. And then they can fill out how they heard about you. That was not required, but you can make it required if you want. So that's the survey that they're going to fill out right here. Once they fill that out, it takes them to this appointment page. Book a time for us to view your property. Thanks. Right here, it'll actually have their first name. So thanks, Sean. Receiving an email in 5 to 10 minutes, blah, 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 blah. Again, another picture of the crew, the team, a job that was just done. You can see it's a stock image back here. This is actually like a park. And so this represents some commercial jobs that they could do. Booking calendar. Once they book, appointment confirmed right here. It'll actually have their appointment, date, and time. It'll have their first name here. It'll let them know that you just emailed a confirmation for the appointment. And then this is going to be a picture of the team, the crew, or whoever the salesperson is that's going to be showing up and giving the quote at the house. So that is the funnel. Works really freaking well. Here are the automations. Here are the custom values. Agency owner name and email. This is for the lead delivery, so you can set that. So if you have an agency that's helping landscapers and lawn maintenance companies and you're sending them leads, you're just going to put your name and email in here, so that way every time you send them a lead, they're going to get it from you. The calendar link, this is going to be the link to the calendar page once you have the domain and everything set up. There's a couple emails where, if they need to reschedule, or if they filled out the survey but they did not yet book an appointment, then they're going to receive an email and a text message with a link to the calendar. For database reactivation for existing customers, we have an automation set up that sends them, hey, just wanted to give you a $100 discount on our next, or on your next service. It's time to start thinking about spring cleaning or something like that. And so you can put the link to this page. Even though they're a database, they're going to get marked as a database reactivation, and so whoever is handling the quote, they're going to know that they are an existing customer. They're not coming through as a new customer, but they handle the sales process appropriately. So it'll send people directly back to this page, so you just put that link in here. The automations, this is the big one, the main one, not big one. They fill out the survey, contact is tagged, they're added to the pipeline, there's a text sent to the staff, boom, someone requested a quote for service, there's an email also sent to the staff, these are the agency owner names, boom, you have a new quote request, and this has all of the information, name, email, phone, how soon they want to get service done, their address, change this to service address, the service type, if it's commercial or residential, and then this will populate all of the options that they choose for landscaping services, for the maintenance services, and the outdoor living services. And then down here at the bottom, where they hear about your business. Call them back ASAP to book their quote. And then it also sends this to the actual lead. This comes from the location name, so whatever the landscaping company's name is, and whatever the email address is that is associated with the location, make sure that those are on point. Say contact first name, so Sean, your $100 discount voucher is inside. Thanks, Sean, here's the code for your $100 discount. It's just a code, it's just whatever. Make sure to remind us of this email when we show up to quote and schedule your job. Here's a quick recap of the info you submitted to our team. This gives them an opportunity to review everything to make sure it's good. And then down here, you should be getting a call to schedule a time for us to come out to give you a quote if you haven't already booked an appointment. If they've booked an appointment, then they'll get the appointment booking reminders. Super simple. If you notice any of the information above needs to be corrected, please give us a call at location phone number. Thanks, we'll see you soon. You can replace that with the Twilio phone number if you want to do that. Yeah, so that's it. I'm not going to go through every single one of the automations. They're pretty good. The birthday one sends a $100 discount for their birthday. Got the auto missed call text back. Database reactivation for old customers. No-show reactivation for people that book an appointment but don't keep it. You can drag them to the no-show spot in the pipeline, and it'll automatically fire this off. Appointment confirmation is pretty standard. And then review request once the job's done. This is auto-fired to go off and send them a review request once the job is done. So this is the snapshot right now. It is ready to go. The 2.0 version is going to have a full website that's not there yet, as well as a couple additional forms and a couple of different calendars as well. I can't reveal exactly what those are yet, but they're gonna be in the website, and I'm super duper excited. Everyone who gets this snapshot will go ahead and get the 2.0 version as soon as it's released as well. Hey Carl, just giving you a quick run through of the website. 4 main pages, 1 service page that you can completely customize and make it however your client needs it. But let me just show you each of the pages. So here's the home page. Everything's mobile optimized as well. It's going to kind of show you home page. All these buttons, everything takes you down to the get a free estimate form on the bottom. I'm just gonna open up the other ones. Okay, so here's the About Us page. Obviously see the filler text there. Services. Contact Us page. It's a different form here. It's a basic contact form. And oh, I got to change the SEO, but this is like an example of a service, a single service page. So this will be, you can make this for each of the services that your client offers, and then hyperlink these to the other pages and highlight whichever one is currently active. Business information here. If they're interested in this service, click this, takes them down to the form down at the bottom. Got the client testimonials. So that is the complete website. What works out for you, man?